Welcome again to the BCIT MediaWorks video series on software used in MediaWorks. Again, this will be video 3 in the series. We've been looking at the audio software Audacity, and this video today will cover recording audio into Audacity using a microphone. It's important to note that the microphone we want to use in this case is not the built-in microphone on a laptop, for example, but an external microphone. To be able to connect hardware of this nature to the computer occurs one of two ways: through an external microphone that uses a USB connection to the computer, or through an analog microphone that connects through an audio interface, again by USB. The latter option also allows us to be able to connect outboard analog devices that might not have a USB, such as mixing boards, record players, and other line-level audio sources, and analog audio sources. Taking a look here at the user interface of Audacity, we notice a lot going on, but specifically I want to draw your attention to the horizontal line here, which is a listing of the audio inputs and outputs that we're going to be using in Audacity, and it's also the way that Audacity is set up. I'll click on them here. You can see what I'm talking about. You can see there we have a few different ones. Again, mono, stereo, and that'll be how we output stuff. The first area is the digital audio type we are recording with, in this case MME. I'll go into that in later videos. To the right of that, we have the name of the track that the microphone will be on. Again, we have a few options there, but this is the one. In this case, it does refer to the onboard laptop. That's because right now doing this video, I'm using a different audio interface and I don't want to confuse the computer. Next to that, we have the track listing. Again, we have our two options, mono or stereo. And after that, we have how we're outputting it, which would be the speakers or usually headphones in this case. Because when recording with microphones, it's advisable to use headphones so the sound of the speakers doesn't feedback or loop through the mic, creating unpleasant audio. Every time we use Audacity to record a mic or a device, it's advisable to check these settings to make sure that if we've connected a good quality mic to the computer, we're using that microphone and not the cheaper, smaller, and usually geographically farther away microphone that's built into the laptop, typically the screen of the laptop. This also brings up the need to do test recordings before any project to confirm the expectations around the setup we've set in here. And typically when I do this, I actually physically with my fingernail tap the laptop. And if in the test recording you hear a tapping, you can assume that you don't have the correct microphone selected. This is a good time also to introduce you to the transport controls above the horizontal line we just went over. We'll go into this further in later videos, but specifically for this demonstration, the record or the red circle and the stop or the black square, we'll be using them in this one. Again, we'll go into the other options and how they help you in later videos. Having confirmed our audio hardware setup on this line, we're going to hit record and use the microphone. Again, we're using the microphone that is built into the laptop, even though I've said the quality of that is not good. That's just for the purpose of this video series. And in this case, we're going to record the BCIT motto. To each to their highest attainment. Hit stop. You can see a waveform came on, and that would be the end of the recording. We would then hit play and hopefully hear something. Yep, I can hear it. We'll stop here at this point for the video, and the next video in the series will cover Audacity projects, the saving and opening of, and exporting audio files such as the one we recorded here today. Thank you.